Okay, welcome back to part two of 10,000 Reasons. And guys, I just want to once again just remind you that we're just adding, I'm breaking the songs down in a format that I'm not only teaching you the songs, but I'm teaching you principles and transitions using muscle memory to where you can not only play the songs that I'm showing you, but well into the hundreds of thousands of songs because a lot of these songs and you'll learn they all have the same science. They all have the same transitions. It's just how they use them, when they use them. They're just jumbling them around. All right. So with 10,000 Reasons, we're focusing on using our C to the F transition, our C on top to the F chord, which you already know. We're just incorporating our inversion. So let me take you to the overhead view. And if you haven't, pull up the download 10,000 Reasons so you can follow along with me. All right, here we go to our overhead view. All right, so we see in this song, first, once again, uh, from lesson one, remember we have the title of the song. I kind of break down how to read lead sheets. But basically, we look at all the chords on the lead sheet. We have a F, a C, a G, a A, and these are all songs that you all or chords that you already know, right? But you see, I have a C on the top, and basically what that is I'm inverting the chord. Instead of playing our root position, we're playing our first inversion or our C on top. Now I could have put first inversion, but I figured that would be a little bit too long to put. So I just put C on top so you'll have a understanding of exactly what position to play that song. But if you go through the whole song, you see it's a lot of repetition. This song, it repeats itself a lot. You see the F to the C, that's on, the first few bars. You have F, C, G, A. Okay, here's the F and the C again. Oh, repetitive, then a G, G. All right, then we have the F and the C again, repetitive. And then there we go with that one transition that we worked on, the F, the G, and the A. All right. So let's jump right into it. Let's start playing this song. So we can see that the song starts off in with the F. Bless the Lord right here on F. And then from here, we're going to go to our C on top. Now remember how we do that? Instead of going to the root position, we're on our F, our C on top. So my C note right here in my pinky, if it's on top, that means nothing is above it. It's the top note, right? So my pinky is already there. See how cool this is? And we just go to the transition we just worked on by moving my thumb over one and playing my second finger right here. And that is your C chord. We still have the notes, our C, a E, and a G. Same thing if I played it right here. C, E, and G. I'm just inverting the chord right here. So C on top is the second chord to this song. So bless the Lord, oh my soul, to the C on top. And then you know the other two chords, a G and a A. Right? So let's play this one more time together from the start. 2, ready, play. Bless the Lord, F to the C. Oh my soul, oh my soul. All right. And then it repeats again. Right here to the F, bless his. Back to that C again. Again, holy name. Instead of going to the A, I just play the G twice, or I hold the G, right? And then, oh, look, it goes right back to the beginning part again. Seem like never before. Sing like never before. And then we go to that transition that we practiced earlier, that F, G, A. So that's a cool little stanza right there. We go from our F to our C on top, which you already know, and then goes back to the F, transition back to the F, and then up the scale. That's pretty cool. F to the C, then up the scale. And then back to end the song, we worship his holy name. F to the G, Then we end. Remember, the C on top is also a good ending chord. C on top. Bless his holy name. All right. So that is a review of all of the chords on the song. So let's start incorporating a little bit of rhythm and also adding a single note in our left hand. So if we play the song together, you can play it with me. 1, 2, 3. Bless the F to the C on top, to a G, O, O, my F, worship, back to that C on top. His name is to the G. All right, let's do that same thing one more time, just those first two little bars right there. All right, it's a few more chords than what we've done in the past, but guys, remember, it's all psychological. You know these chords. It's just getting the transitions from one to the other, the C to the F to the G. All right, so let's play it again, just the first two bars. 1, 2, 3. Bless the Lord, F, O, my C, to the G, O, my soul. F to the C again, transition, C on top, his name to a G. 2, 3, seems like never, F to the C. Okay, here's that walk up, F, G, A. Worship his to the G, back to our C on top. All right, now let's do this whole song together one more time so you can kind of see how the song kind of goes with a little bit of rhythm. So I'm going to play it. If you need to, pause the tape so you can practice these chords a little bit. But now I'm going to actually play the song a little bit faster and with the rhythm so you can play along with me. And I'll play it 2 times in a row, okay? All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Bless the Lord, F, O, my soul, to a G, O, my F, worship his C, to a G, 2, 3. Seems like never. Walk up, my soul, worship his holy name, F to a G. End on the C on top. We'll play it again. Ready? Bless the Lord to the C, G to the A, F to C, to a G, name, 2, 3. Seems like never before. I will worship to the C, and then 3, 4. All right. So very, very nice job. If you got a chance to play along with me, that is a good way to practice using these transitions, going from your C to the F to G to the A. A lot of great stuff going on in this song. All right. Now there's one more thing for you guys that are a little bit more advanced that want to know, okay, I got this, but how can I spice it up a little bit? Well, you could do one simple thing by just adding your rhythm and one note in between. That would give it a lot more flavor. Let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So if we play the song with the rhythm, just that will help out, right? My soul, just playing to a rhythm, holy name, right? But what if we do that same thing and in between those rhythms we add one note and we're at our middle note, which is our middle finger, okay? Or if we remember, if we go to our C on top, well, we don't have a middle finger, we have our second finger because the G is our middle note between our E and our C. But it's the middle note, okay? So if we play the rhythm and then we add our middle note in between, it'll give it a kind of a cool flavor and add a little bit more depth to your style of playing. So listen to how it sounds. So you see what I did there? So basically I played this song, played all of my notes twice, that's the rhythm, and then I just played the middle note right before I go to my next chord. One, two, single note, then to the C. Twice, then my middle note, to the G, twice, middle note, A, twice, single note, F, twice, single note, middle note, C twice, to the G. All right. So once again, I'll play that using the middle note, and I'll play it twice once again. So if you're playing along with me and you're at this point, a part of the lesson where you want to try to do it a little bit more advanced style of playing, feel free to play along with me, okay? So here we go. Bless the Lord. I'll play it twice with the rhythm using the single note. 1, 2, 3. Bless the Lord. Holy name. Never. Worship is holy. Let's play it again. Bless the Lord, oh my soul. Oh. Stay on the G twice. Seem like never before. All right. Very nice, guys. Very nice.